Plan for today is to get the steel on this roof. We're gonna put the rafters up here, put the steel on, and then all this roof down here behind me, we're gonna put the steel on that as well. Sam got the top roof built. It's got the underlayment on it. It's all prepped. So we're gonna go ahead and put the steel on. We're gonna start with the bottom layer and then do the top layer after that. I'm down here cutting. I'm what we call the cut guy. I have this little jig made up to a predetermined length for our panels. You can get these things pre-ordered at certain lengths, but these were in stock and I feel like waiting. So I'm just marking it, cutting it off. Plus I have all my holes pre-drilled. And I'm handing them up to them. It's a cut guy's job to stay ahead of the installers. A good cut guy can keep at least 2 installers busy all day long. All right guys, it is the next day. We finished the roof up. We put a new piece of flashing on here, cut the stack, got the boot on. Sam got the vents in. It is 20 degrees today. This temperature switched from 70 to 20 something in the past few days, but that's just Ohio weather. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I'll see you guys in the next one.